Don't tell Duke I've got pie. Hey guys, it's Rob with the Barbecue Pit Dog channel. Hey, how's it going out there today? Hey, today, no grills, no smokers, no ovens, not cooking anything at all. This is a simple little dessert that I'm calling red, white, and blueberry pie. Okay, I totally have ripped off this recipe and I've modified it just a little tiny bit, okay? But I did rip it off from Gary over at East Texas Cooking and Outdoors. Okay, that's how you go see Gary over there. You can see how he made this pie also. And like I said, I just made one little tiny change to it, but when I seen him do this video, I thought, man, I got to do this because I don't bake, I don't like to measure, I don't like to calculate, you know, all that. Baking is way out of my ball game. So anyway, this is the perfect dessert for me, and it's delicious, I have to say. Okay, you can use any kind of fruit you want, but I'm going with blueberry like Gary did, and a little extra on top. So anyway, this is something you guys can make quick. You make it, you throw it in the refrigerator a couple hours, get it good and cold, and it's great for when it's like it is here in Florida today. You know, it's like 100 degrees again, but it's summertime and I love it. So anyway, sit back, check this little recipe out, make yourself one. Make you one, whatever I'm trying to say, okay? And I hope you guys enjoy this. So hang on, because here we go. All right, time for the red, white, and blueberry pie. I got a graham cracker crust. I got some graham crackers. Got a can of blueberry pie filling here. Fresh blueberries, fresh strawberries, and everybody's favorite Cool Whip. All right, we're gonna make some layers here now. First of all, let's put in about a half a can of this blueberry pie filling. Get it all, get a little bit more in there. Get it smeared around there. Get a nice level layer. Okay, next we'll go in with 2 or 3 big scoops of Cool Whip. Man, I love Cool Whip. I can eat it right out of the tub. Get that in there and get it spread out, get a nice even layer of that going. All right, then we're going to hit it with some of these graham crackers, okay? Put them in the Cool Whip here, and after we get this thing in the refrigerator for a while, they're going to soften up, make like a little layer of graham cracker there in the middle of the pie. All right, got them in there. Now, let's put the rest of this blueberry pie filling in there that we got in this can. Try to get it all out of there because this is a lot of goodness. We don't want to leave any behind. Heck no. Alright, got that layer set. Now here we go again with the Cool Whip. Told you this was going to be easy. Just a bunch of layers of deliciousness. There we go. Now I got some rinsed off blueberries and sliced up some strawberries. And we're just going to kind of bomb them blueberries on there. Bang. Boom. Bam, you know, slap a strawberry slice here, slap one there, get all that fruit on top there, and bam, there you go. Red, white, and blueberry pie. How easy was that? Now we're just going to refrigerate for a little bit and time to chow down.